Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today in this video we will be going to make this navbar tutorial for you. And I have created this beautiful navbar, and when we hover there then navbar will be opened, and when we hover out then navbar will be closed. So in this way you can make an amazing navbar when you will see this full tutorial video. So keep watching. Okay, we are going to make first of all header, header header tag. Okay, we need a header tag, and then after we will make a nav tag, and inside this nav tag we will add our first paragraph tag, which will contain this double line, and we will keep here ul list on order list. Inside this on order list we will have list. So we have for list, shift alt arrow down, shift alt arrow down, shift alt arrow down. So we have for list. First of all I will write home, and after the home I will write my gf home. Sorry, just a joke, a small joke. So I will write here chat with my girlfriend. So here is another account. So account section, account account. I have hacked my girlfriend account. Isn't it funny? I can see all the stuffs what she talks, not he. So let's see what is our output. Okay, now we have this double line and the list. So let's go to the style. So style, first of all we will remove the initial margin and padding, which you can see here at the left and top there is initial margin and padding. So I am removing that. For that we will use universal selector, and then after selecting the universally I am going to do P0, so which is shortcut padding 0, and M0, which is shortcut margin 0. Now you will not see any margin from top and left. Okay, now that was the default margin. And now we are going to remove this dot. I am also going to remove here. First of all I am going to make that inline block in horizontal shape. What did I mean is I have to make these options in this way. So for that I'm selecting, we have header, der header, and after nav, and then we have, you can see a ul, and then you can see the list. Okay, now I am selecting list. So we have to make display in line, which means in line, and block. So now we can see we have inline. So now we have to make is that we have to also make this paragraph tag, this line wall paragraph tag, and this one list tag, it same. So we have ul and paragraph. We have to also make display flex to the nav. So let's make nav display flex. Now you can see we got this in same line. Now we also get the another property, that auto margin left right auto. So we will be using that flex property, to which we will give, we have to make this at the right side, this one at the right side. So for that we will use the, first of all we will select nav ul, and then yes, we will make this ul this one ul to the right side. So margin from which side? We left side will be auto. From left it will be auto, which means it will go to the right side. So now we have also created this one. Let's give the header background. So we will select the header, 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 and we will give background, bg background, background black. If I am going to make this black, then our list and all the color will be are also in black, so we have to make them in we will make this list color will be in white and this color will be in red. So list color will be what? White. And now you can see whitey, which is looking more cool. And also we can make this, we can also select this paragraph tag which is inside the nav and p. So header, nav and p, header, nav and p, and this color will be red. Let's give some height to our header. So here is our header. Let's give height. height will be 50 pixel. And the width will be 360 pixel, which is the width of my mobile. Now you can see we are also going to make this in center. So for that we have already made our nav, but we have to also give this height. So height will be 50 pixel and width will be 360 pixel. And display, we have already done display flex, so we have another property with display flex, that is the align item center. So it will make vertically center. Now you can see it is vertically centered. Now we have no more complaints. We can also make change the font size. So list font size will be 15 pixel, font font size will be 15 pixel. Now it's okay. Yeah, it's looking nice. And border radius, okay, we will give also the border radius to our header, so it will look more awesome. Border radius will be 20 pixel, which looks more cool. Yay, we got. But we also have to give margin from right and left. So for that I am doing what can I do is I can so I can do is here margin. So I am giving on our list, the group of list, margin from right side. From right side, how much pixel? I will give 20 pixel or 5 pixel or 10 pixel. How much should I give? Let's give the 20 pixel. Now you can see it's looking more good, but this the list are also have no margin, so we will also give the margin to the lists from left and right side. We have the property called margin ri. From margin left we will give 5 pixel, and margin from right will give 5 pixel. Now the list margin will be increased. Now you can see they are more far, and we have also fixed this. We have to also fix that, we have ul, no, we have in paragraph. So to make that, we have to also give margin from margin, margin left will be 2 pixel. Now it is looking good. So now we have to reduce this size to hide that. For that I am doing height will be, white will be 50 pixel. Now you can see here is our out of the box. So okay, I will show you that background. If I change the body background color, BG gray, okay, you can see now here it is not hidden, so we have to hide this one. So for that I am using overflow property. So where is my overflow property? I am searching for that. Okay, I will use here overflow property. OVER, overflow, what? Hidden. So it will be HIDDEN, hidden. So it will be hide if anything overflows. Now we got hidden. Okay, now what can we do is, when we hover here, then it should increase its size. Now so when we hover header, 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 hover, when we hover header, then what we have to do is we have to increase the width. So width, width will be how much pixel? 360 pixel. So now you can see when you hover here, it is increasing from directly from there to here, here to here. So we have to also give transition to look more awesome. So transition, we have the transition property which will give transition to our, now you can see perfect. Now you can see perfect. When I hover here, then it increase. When I hover out, now it is looking perfect. Now I will also give the hover effect to this list. So for that I am selecting, okay, there's some now HEADER, header, nav, ul, li. If I hover li, then what I need to do is I have to change the color. Color should be red. I will make it red. Now let's see what is our output. Now you can see we get the output that we want. Dun, dun. In this way you can make this awesome navbar, hovering navbar. Now what can I do is, now I can remove this body background gray. I just give this gray color to show you. Now you can see perfect. Now we got perfect. We will see in next video. Thank you so much for watching video, and I hope you like the video. And I will make another video in this way. Goodbye.